Hello. It is the next day. I just want to check out, see how clean the RV got. I still got to use that Black Streak removal. I just have to find it. I don't know where it's at. It's probably over there somewhere. But that's going to be like little by little. But I got all the mud and I washed it, so it should be fairly clean. Let's check it out. Most of the mud on the front is gone. I still see some residuals, so I just probably have to go through that. They don't look bad. Got all the bugs off. Here's Black Streak I'm talking about. Yeah, right there. I'll get that then. I'll probably do the tires later with some armor or something to try to protect it. I might put the covers back on. You got some mean black streaks going around the camera there, but that stuff that I got takes that off, so my thing's fading a little bit, but it's still good. Logo. Alright, let's see. Slide. For maintenance, I gotta put some of that lubricant on there since I cleaned it off. But that was it. It's my clean GeoPro. Alright, welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose, and I just washed my RV yesterday, which I'm going to show you here shortly. And now I'm just going to show you a little snippet of me cleaning the black streaks off my RV. Now I did this last year, but I wanted to do it again just to tell people that this stuff really works. Alright, let me show you the black streaks that are on this RV. Some on the lights here. Don't know if you can see that. Right here, definitely black streaks. You can see it really good right there. Black streaks. Alright, normally I would clean the whole thing off, of course, but I wanted to tell you the spots I cleaned, look, came right off, and I barely had used any elbow grease. I'm going to try to do a side-by-side comparison so you can see it. It's good, not too much elbow grease, and I only did one pass. That looks really good, a little shiny, and you know, it shows people that you take care of your RV instead of always having that black streak. And that's it, Black Streak Removal Pro Strength from Camco. Have any questions? Comment below. All right, out here. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.